Hello and welcome to eStudy Forum. In this video, we shall discuss about first Indian-made ELISA test kit approved by Indian Council of Medical Research. By the time I am making this video, around 37 lakh samples have been tested and around 1,82,000 cases have been confirmed. Last month we have seen news stating that Indian government has blamed China for supplying faulty COVID-19 antibody test kits. China had also counter-blamed the India for mishandling the test kits. Anyhow, it was a waste of time for India, which was at a crucial step. Now ICMR has approved indigenously completely made in India ELISA antibody test kit. This kit is named COVID Kavach ELISA. This kit is being developed by National Institute of Virology, which is based in Pune, and it will be mainly used for serosurvey, which is meant for surveillance. ELISA stands for Enzyme Linked Immunosorbent Assay. ELISA is mainly used for detection of antibodies in the serum. So you may ask, what is serosurvey? Serosurvey is nothing but collection of blood samples from random individuals from the population and testing his or her serum for the presence of antibodies. In this case, corona-specific antibodies. Whenever the blood clots, a yellow liquid is formed. This liquid is called serum. You can see in this test tube, the upper portion is serum. By this serosurvey, we can understand the proportion of population which is being exposed to coronavirus infection. If the ELISA test is positive, that particular individual, he or she, will be tested by real-time PCR for the presence of COVID-19 infection. You may wonder, what are antibodies? Antibodies are protective proteins produced by immune system against foreign substance called an antigen. These antibodies are also called immunoglobulins. Antibodies recognize the antigen and help in destruction of these antigens. Antigens may be virus, bacteria, fungus, or any toxic material that has entered the human body. There are mainly 5 types of antibodies present in humans: IgG, M, A, D, and E. COVID Kavach ELISA is particularly made for the detection of IgG in the serum of individuals. This is the simplified version of ELISA test. Here, viral proteins are attached to a glass surface and these proteins act as an antigen. Serum from the person is added to this glass surface. If the person's serum contains IgG antibodies that detect coronavirus protein, it attaches to the antigen and the color is formed, as you can see here. This color formation proves that the person has been infected with coronavirus. Further, he will be tested for the presence of virus by the help of RT-PCR. If no color is formed, like as you can see here, that means that he or she is not exposed to the coronavirus. As of now, real-time RT-PCR is still considered as a gold standard for the diagnosis of coronavirus. But the ICMR has allowed the use of ELISA kit primarily for mass testing of the coronavirus. So you may ask, why ELISA kits? ELISA kits are more reliable and cheaper, and these ELISA kits are already used for the diagnosis of human immunodeficiency virus that causes AIDS. The ELISA kit has a sensitivity of nearly 99%. That means for every 100 tests performed, 99 tests give proper result, either positive or negative result. And these ELISA kits are specific towards specific antigens. That means if an ELISA kit is made for the detection of coronavirus, that particular kit will always detect coronavirus only. And these ELISA kits do not pose health risk compared to real-time PCR tests, because in real-time RT-PCR tests live viral samples are handled, but here the viral proteins are in inactivated form. And these ELISA kits can be used at the district level for the detection of coronavirus. If you like this video, show your support by liking and share with your friends. Thank you.